I'm Mike Verkouten and I'm part of the management team of Novelty. Novelty helps entrepreneurs with innovative ideas to start, renew and grow. Last year we were in Helsinki at the biggest startup conference Slush. We wanted to announce the new release date of our event of Slush here in the Netherlands, Enschede Slushed. And of course we needed nice gear, sweaters also, because it's cold in Helsinki, to make that announcement even more powerful. And unfortunately the box with our sweaters was in Helsinki but not capable to come to our venue. So we were really happy that they right away jumped into action, tried to call all kind of people to bring it to our hotel. It was not possible to do that on time, but what they also fixed is that they had a local printing shop in Helsinki, and at the same day they still printed sweaters for us so that we could do the announcement of Enschede Slush with sweaters from Helloprint. Yeah, we were really happy with the results. Issues always occur, but if you have a proper customer service, then we are really happy.